welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is not the type of content I would usually create for my channel, but today's video is based on what I felt in the spirit. I just want to come here, thank God for what he's doing, thank him for the prophet of our generation, who is Apostle Johnson Suleman, and his wife Mama Lizzie Johnson Suleman. They are doing great things through the move of God. They have blessed so many, touched so many people, and I don't even know how else to express what they have done. They have helped people, they have helped me and my family as well. This ministry has done great and wonderful things, and it's all thanks to the move of God and through God's servant, Apostle Johnson Suleman. So this video, I just felt to thank God for him, for touching not only the youth, the teenagers, the adolescents, the married, the unmarried, and the single. This ministry has done so much through helping the poor, to restoring lives and restoring destinies and honor to people. If this ministry wasn't there, honestly, many people that are healed now, that God visited, that God remembered, I don't even know how these people would, figure out that something like this is happening to them. I don't even know how I should refer to him. All I have to say is I thank God for him. I thank God for the pastors he has raised, firebrand pastors. I thank God for him. I thank God for his children. I thank God for his children. I thank God for the triumphant sisters which are his children, and all the rest of his children. I thank God for this ministry. Yeah, it has done wonders. It has touched people. It has helped people. I thank God for making Apostle Johnson Suleman the prophet of our generation. I thank God for it. I thank God because through him, God is working wonders. He's touching people. I pray that God favors him, God empowers him more, and God gives him more grace, because of the work that he's doing, the lives that he's touching. So many lives. You see now today, the blind can see. That is thanks to God and also God's servant. The blind can see, the lame can walk, the deaf can hear. It's just so many miracles happening around the world, and through this very day, greater things are happening through that ministry. I thank God for him, thank God for Mama Lizzie, thank God for Pastor Johnson and for the pastor that he has been raising to become firebrand. I thank God for visiting people this year, for recovering destinies. Thank you for bringing such a powerful, it's such a great honor in this generation that we are in right now, that we have such a strong man of God, a strong prophet. It's such a great honor. Wow. Something like, I just felt in my spirit to do and to bless and thank God for this wonderful ministry. If anything, I have to say that they are the power couple. If anybody asks me who is my favorite power couple and who is a power couple to me, I would say Mama Lizzie and Apostle Johnson Suleman. Those are a power couple. Thank you so much for the triumphant sisters as well. Every time I want to be in the spirit, I just go through the music, and it's just wonderful. Thank God for that family. Now we can use a reference whenever we want to pray about families. We use them as a reference, and thank God for these miracles, and I thank God for celebration with you. I thank God for wonders without numbers. I thank really God because the prayer points are there, the Bible studies are there, and God's grace and favor and miracles are happening around the world through that. The children, the orphans, people who can't feed, that ministry has worked so much. If you go to that ministry, you would understand what I'm talking about. First time goers, even for people who've been there for years. So I'm here just to thank God for his move, thank God for using Apostle Johnson Suleman and Mama Lizzie Johnson Suleman, also his children, all his children are firebrand, which is a great thing. That's why I'm here to say thank you. And in advance, I would like to wish Apostle, our Papa, a happy birthday in advance. It is month of celebration. Here to say happy birthday to the restoration apostle in us. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.